Honestly, this lip gloss is what I freaking needed in life. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished filming a little get ready with me. So if you would like to see what products I used on my skin to make that highlight pop, definitely keep watching. Before I forget, we are also so close to 200 followers. So please make sure to subscribe down below. For 2019, I definitely have a goal of just like getting better and better at editing, learning more along the way, trying to be more consistent for sure. So definitely if you have more video ideas, let me know down below. Definitely make sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram because I'm so active on there more than like any other type of social media platform. Give this video a thumbs up. What else can I say? Like, all right, let's get started. No, I don't like that. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the video. I really hope this is focused. I'm just gonna like cross my fingers. I got my little makeup bag right here. It says Boss Babe, and I actually DIY'd it at an ATL Girl Gang event. If you guys don't know what ATL Girl Gang is, you should definitely follow them on Instagram. What did my hand just do? I don't even know. But yeah, let's honestly get started. So the very first thing I like to do, I have no idea why I like to do this, but I love this Glossier birthdaybalm.com. It's honestly almost like just Vaseline that tastes like a birthday cake, if that makes any sense. Honestly, like, I'm obsessed with Glossier products. They kind of just enhance natural beauty and just like accentuating. Is that how you say? This is how you know I'm not like a YouTuber. Well, a good one. But yeah, they just accentuate like your natural beauty. Oh no, my beauty blender. I'm so bad at this. But like the reason I like putting that on first is just because like it kind of just preps my lips for like whatever I'm gonna put on towards the end. So by the way, I just got a haircut, so I'm still trying to get used to it. So if you see me like flipping my hair a lot, it's not because I'm being like a spoiled brat or anything, but it's just because I don't know what to do with it, so I just like do this, you know? But yeah. That's my mom. Okay, you know what? So just because you guys are watching, I'm gonna do like a little bit more fancier makeup, like not everyday makeup, but like when you want to look a little bit cuter than everyday, if that makes any sense. Probably not. But yeah, for primer, I'm just using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I don't really know if primer does anything. I guess maybe not. Maybe they're just like taking money from us. I don't even have a specific way to put it on. I kind of just do this and then just like rub it on. I don't know. So yeah, primer is on. If you guys have recommendations for primer that you actually feel does something to your skin, let me know. Maybe it does and I just don't notice it and I take it for granted. I don't know. But I do love how it smells. It's almost like a little bit of coconut. Fun fact, I did get hit by like a swing right here when I was like in second grade. No, like first grade. I used to play this game where like somebody would be swinging and then I would try to run before they like got down. Yeah, that didn't work, clearly. Like, I don't even know why I did that. But anyways, so this eyebrow is now suffering because of that. I have like this line, I had to get stitches. It's all good though, it's not like a huge deal. But that happened to that eyebrow. And then to my sister eyebrow, I got hit by a door in a hotel. And then I literally had like a drop of blood. I don't know, I sucked it up and nothing really happened after that. Like, you know, somebody hit me with the door. I'm not like, I am clumsy, but like I wasn't clumsy that time. So just to set the record straight. So the little thing I'm embarrassed about, but I'm gonna just say it because somebody else might use it one day. I actually use eyeshadow on my eyebrows. I've been doing that for like a few years. It actually really works, and it's actually a really good idea if you have like eyeshadow palettes that you don't really use anymore. Just make sure you're not like using a shade that's too dark. I'll show you why, because I did make this mistake at first, but not anymore, sister. The palette that I use for my eyebrows is the Naked 3 palette, and I actually used to use this shade all the way over here. It's called Black Heart. but they were super dark and I never noticed that they were. I think it was a high school phase. Now I use a shade next to it that's called Dark Side. It's more accurate with my hair color. I'm just taking an angled brush. It doesn't even have a brand or anything. I'm sorry. I'm going into the shade Dark Side and I kind of just, wow, the lighting is so bad. How do beauty YouTubers do this? I don't really try to make them bigger. I just kind of try to fill them in. It's honestly okay if they look a little crazy because like that's what blending is for. Honestly, I feel like eyebrows are never going to be exactly the same, so I don't even stress about it anymore. So now I know I look a little crazy, especially this eyebrow. That's why you brush it out like really good. Like the trick is just in brushing it all out, like seriously. It kind of also just helps to get all that like extra eyeshadow out of your eyebrows. So next I'm just gonna move on to foundation. I actually just switched foundation. I just got this yesterday and it's the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I've heard so many good things about it, which is why I got it. When it comes to foundation, I just like kind of squirting it on my what is this? Whatever this is. This is actually my first time trying this shade, so it better be accurate because if not, I don't want to drive all the way to Sephora in Ponce City Market because that's probably the best one I've been to. It's like the biggest one. I don't know. I'm gonna take my brushes now. Like all the ones that I use that are this color, I got them from BH Cosmetics. They're super affordable. I honestly think they're great for like basic people that aren't like makeup artists like me basically, or even if you're just starting to learn how to do makeup. I definitely recommend them. I'm taking my foundation brush from BH Cosmetics. It's like a cute rose gold color. It's so cute. Just kind of like dabbing some of the foundation on. Hopefully I'm not doing this wrong, but this is like my way of doing it. So if you're coming to my channel, it's my way of doing it. Yes, that's like the quote of 2019. Maybe not. I also do like to drag it to my neck because then you're gonna look like James Charles and Flashback Mary, which by the way, you guys, I just love watching James Charles. Like I wish he could be my gay best friend, but I don't have one. So because this is my first time trying out this foundation, I'm gonna put it on all over my skin. I do like to put it on my eyelids a smidge just because I like to prep my eyes for eyeshadow. And then the 5 head. Just kidding, my forehead is like average, I think, at least. You know, all the haters are gonna say regardless. When I did get this foundation, they also said you could like build it up to full coverage, and I like foundations like that. I feel like I'm liking it so far. We'll see how it lasts throughout the day. Next up, I do like to do pressed powder, and for pressed powder, I don't even do anything fancy. This is literally from Walmart. It's just a L'Oreal True Match, and I am in the shade Warm. I literally just drown myself in pressed powder because I just feel like this is what sets your face. Literally, I just do this everywhere on my skin. If you guys have like any recommendations for me to try, like powder wise, please let me know. I have this Laura Mercier pressed powder, except I mainly used this one when I like did pageants and like when I did theater, like any like on stage stuff. I probably should be using this one more than the Walmart one, but you know, that's just me. I literally don't know how much you guys saw of that door opening, but if you saw it opening, I don't have a ghost. That door and this door and my bathroom door that made it sound like I have 3 ghosts. No. The maintenance people came in one day and they like tried to fix it, but they actually made it worse. I don't have any ghosts. Moral of the story. I'm gonna set this side of my face with the powder. I'm actually gonna grab lunch with my mom after this, so I'm really hoping that I don't take a century just doing my makeup. Okay, I think I'm done with that. Next up, I'm actually gonna do bronzer. I've been using the Hoola bronzer. I've gone through it, like I kind of need a new one. I like it. I do want to try new ones out, but I think it's pretty nice. I feel like you could definitely build off of it. Usually I just hate how I have to add like 3 layers. I'm just taking this large angled brush, also from BH Cosmetics, but I got this like in a beauty box. You kind of just do the kissy face and then you put it on. I do like to drag my bronzer like kind of around here just to kind of like try and define my non-existent jawline basically. I really like putting bronzer on my forehead, and then the last place that I put just a little bit of bronzer in, not too much, is like my nose. Just like this, like this. Alright, next up, I'm actually gonna do highlight. This is the only highlight palette that I have. It's the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero. I don't really watch her. I just remember getting her palette because I thought like all the colors were pretty. I know she's a YouTuber, so go her. The shade I've been using the most right now is Forever Young. It's just kind of like a very natural glowy look. Back in high school, I would love the gold color. Like I would wear this on like toga day. Wow, I've literally had this palette for like a long time. Yep, and I'm just taking this like random, I think this is honestly a contour brush, but I like it more than the fan brushes. One, the fan brushes take forever to like put on your highlight, and two, I just feel like they kind of blow all the highlight all over the place. I just like something that you could press it on with, and this is what works for me. And I just like to put it on my cheekbone area, right here, on my nose, right here, and right here. Wow. Honestly, like, just love nose highlight. I don't know why, but I'm like obsessed with it basically. I like doing it right here and then right at the chin. God, I look so glowy. Like honestly, I live for the glowy look. I'm gonna go in with this next BH Cosmetics just like fluffy brush, and I just kind of like sweeping over my contoured areas where I didn't apply my highlight, just because I feel like highlight just tends to go everywhere. Don't know if it helps, but I feel like it kind of does, you know. And I'm so sorry, I'm like the worst YouTuber out there, so I just completely forgot to put on concealer. That's probably why I look like a freaking witch. The concealer that I like normally use is just a Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I honestly love this so much. I actually need another bottle because I'm already running out of it. Like barely anything comes out anymore. I'm just gonna do a little bit right here and right here. I honestly feel like I have that weird skin tone where I don't even know if concealer works on me, but I still do it, you know. And then I'm just taking this Real Techniques beauty blender. It's kind of dirty right now and I honestly need a new one, but it works really good. And it's from Walmart. You can literally get it at Walmart. I feel like I almost ruined my highlight, but it's okay, you know? I'm not perfect. YOLO. So yeah, next up, let's do eyeshadow. Normally, I kind of do eyeshadow, Normally, I do eyeshadow like on a daily. I don't know why. I guess it's just because it doesn't take too much of my time, so I don't really mind it. This is honestly one of the very few like eyeshadow palettes that I have, but it's really nice, and it's just a Tarte Let and Bloom. It's so pretty. The packaging is just like, I don't know. I've literally had it, I think, for almost like a year, and it still works. Like, it looks good as new. Like, look. You could just kind of see the shades I use the most, like this one. All right, so I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush, this white shade right here, Charmer. I love putting that like on my brow bone. I don't know. I feel like it makes a slight difference, but it looks really nice. All right, and then for the next part, I'm actually gonna use my finger, you know. So the shade Flower Child, it's kind of more like a natural, it almost looks like my regular skin tone, kind of, maybe not. I'm not dragging it all the way to the end. I'm just kind of using this shade as like a base. I don't even know if you could tell there's a difference, but it's very minimal, so I don't know. And now I'm actually gonna take my more fluffier brush, and I'm gonna go in the shade Smarty Pants. I love this shade. I just feel like it's a very natural shade for like the crease, and it's honestly probably the shade that I use the most. Yeah, I just do that in the outer corner and in my crease, and it's very minimal again, but that's what I'm into. No, but seriously, if you do not have like this same palette, it's okay, because sometimes I even go in with like my Hoola bronzer and I use this as a like eyeshadow color, and it actually works perfectly fine too. The last kind of like eyeshadow thing that I do is that I put it in my lower lash line. So yeah, that is it for eyeshadow. Okay, I have like 2 more things to do. Awesome. And then for mascara, I'm like obsessed with this mascara at the moment. It's the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I love it so much. At the moment, it's probably like the best mascara I've used thus far. I actually left my eyelash curler back in college, so I'm not gonna curl my lashes, but I do like doing that because I do feel like it makes a slight big difference. Yeah, I honestly don't even know how many layers of mascara I put on. I just kind of put it on until like I feel that they're dark and plump enough. Oh my god, this is seriously where I struggle the most, like in the outer corner. That looks hideous. Not today, Satan. I have been recording for 44 minutes. This normally takes me like no more than 15 minutes. I kid you not. And the very last thing is just to put something on my lips. So normally I would actually use, where is it? Where's my baby? Oh, it's probably right here. So I would normally use the Glossier lip gloss. I just find it so aesthetically pleasing, and it's honestly just not too sticky. It's pretty nice actually. And I'm starting to run out of it, but I used it like half of last semester in college. But I actually went makeup shopping yesterday and I got the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fenty Glow. And I don't know, I had been wanting this for a while and I let it go, and then I went back and then I got it, and I'm just like obsessed with the packaging. I don't know how long it holds. I know this one does hold for like a couple hours, but it is lip gloss, so I feel like even with you just talking, it does kind of go away faster. But yeah, oh my god, I love this color. I feel like this color looks great on any skin tone, and it smells so cute. I just said it smells so cute. It's kind of like a fruity smell. I don't know, I really like it. Oh my god. This is my first time like putting it all on all over my lips, and I am like obsessing over it. Okay, let me tell you though, I love the Glossier. I feel like if you don't want any color on your lips, but you want it to look like glossy, and like if you're into that dewy makeup look, definitely buy the Glossier lip gloss and try it out. It's not even that pricey either. This has a little bit of color to it, but it looks really good. Like it almost brings out my natural like lip color, and I have never had a lip gloss like that, so wow. Alright guys, so this does conclude my little get ready with me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching what skincare I really hope that you guys enjoyed like seeing what products I love using in my everyday makeup routine. I would love to do more sit down videos like this. I think it's a lot of fun. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see. I'd be interested in filming those for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. We're so close to 200. That might be the smallest goal out there, but it definitely is one of my goals for 2019 to just get like better and better little by little. So I will see you very, very soon.